morning guys, V Rossi Fate here, and today I'm going to show you how I make my fluffy double chocolate protein pancakes. Alright, let's get started. First we are going to put a cup of oats, or 90 grams of oats. We are going to put a scoop of chocolate protein powder. Now we're going to put 1/4 of a cup of egg whites. We are going to put a teaspoon of sugar-free sweetener, and lastly we are going to put a teaspoon of baking powder. And the baking powder is going to help the pancakes be fluffy. The last thing we need to do is put a cup of water. And now let's mix. Alright, now the batter is ready. I'm going to coat the pan with about a teaspoon of avocado oil so the pancakes don't stick. So as the pancakes are cooking, we're going to be putting semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of chocolate chips. Alright, the pan and the oil is heated up, so now we're going to put in 1/3 of our batter. And we're going to put in some of our chocolate chips in. There you have it, everyone. That's my fluffy double chocolate protein pancake recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Before we go, I want to tell you what the macros of this breakfast are. So altogether, this breakfast is 700 calories, 15 grams of fat, 82 grams of carbs, and 58 grams of protein. If you liked the video, please leave a like and comment down below on future videos you would like to see. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. This is V Rossi Fit, and I'll catch you guys later.